In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart games on Steam. If you simply want to relaunch a game, the process is usually very quick. Start by exiting the game normally. In most games, you can do this by pressing the escape key to open the pause or main menu, then choosing quit, exit, or exit to desktop. This is the cleanest method because it lets the game close properly and helps avoid issues with unsaved progress or temporary glitches. If the game is frozen or not responding, don't worry. There are a few ways to force it to close. First, you can try pressing Shift and Tab together to open the Steam overlay if that feature is available in the game. From there, try exiting the game. If the overlay doesn't appear or the game is still stuck, press Alt and F4 at the same time. That shortcut tells Windows to close the active application. If that still doesn't work, use Task Manager. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open it. In the list of running apps, find your game, select it, and click End Task. This is the most reliable option when a game becomes completely unresponsive. Just keep in mind that forcing a game to close may cause you to lose any progress that wasn't saved. Once the game has fully closed, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game you want to restart, then launch it again like you normally would. In many cases, this is all you need to do if your goal is simply to restart the game after closing it. If what you actually want is to begin from the start with a fresh playthrough, that's a little different. After launching the game again, look for a new game option on the main menu. Many games include this and make it easy to start over without affecting your existing progress. However, some games only support one save file or automatically continue from the last checkpoint. In that case, you may need to delete or reset the game's save files. The exact location of those files depends on the game, so it's a good idea to check the game's official documentation or trusted community guides before removing anything. That way you can make sure you're resetting the correct data. And that's how to restart games on Steam, whether you just need to relaunch a game or begin a brand new run from the beginning.